Unlock the power of set in JavaScript. Learn how to use set structure to its fullest potential. Filter out duplicate elements from array, pull out unique elements, compare two sets, join them or get only elements from one set that are not present in the other one, and much more. We can create new set from the array or empty set that will be filled later. Add elements using add method and pass the value. If values is not present in set, it will be added, otherwise ignored. Check if an element is present in the set with has method, it will return true if it's present or false if not. Remove elements from the set using the delete method. Clear elements from the set with clear method. This will remove all elements and the set will be empty with no elements. Get elements that are in the first set and not in the second one with difference method. We can use union method to join two sets like concat for the arrays. The intersection method will return only common elements that are in both sets. The method is disjoint from will check if sets don't have any common elements. Is subset from and is superset of will check if sets are contained within each other and return true or false depending on the case. To convert set to an array, simply call array from method and pass set as argument. Book a free consultation and find the code from the video in the description.